Hello student, welcome back. I hope all are fine. So I am here to teach you the moral science of class 1 and chapter 2. As you can see, the name of the chapter is Roti and Naughty. Students, before introducing this lesson, I would like to say in this chapter there are two stories and both the stories are about respecting. From one story we will learn respect toward animals and from another one we'll learn respect towards nature. So, student, can you tell me what is the meaning of respect? We can say, in a simple word, respect is the way of treating or thinking about something or someone. And how can we show respect? We can show respect by helping others, paying attention, by giving good compliments to other, or apologize if you hurt someone. So, students, respect is so important in our life. We will learn more about respect from this story. So, let's start this story first. Roti and Naughty were two rats. Roti was thin and small. Naughty was big and strong. Naughty always laughed at Roti. You are so thin and weak. What will you do if a cat runs after you? Student, in this paragraph, this is the story of two rats. The name of the rats are Roti and Naughty. Naughty is big and strong, but Roti is weak and thin. Naughty is making fun of Roti. He is teasing him and telling what will he do if a cat will run after him. It means he is making him feel that he cannot save himself from a cat just because of his weak and thin personality. Understood? So let's come in next paragraph. One day Naughty found a piece of cheese and Roti loved cheese. But Naughty wanted to show how strong he was. Before Roti could open her mouth, Naughty gobbled up the cheese. But the cheese was too big for one bite, so it got stuck in his throat. Naughty coughed and coughed till his face was red. Roti ran to him and thumped him on the back. The cheese fell out, Naughty was safe. Students, one day, Naughty found a piece of cheese. Both of them loved cheese, but Naughty tried to show him that how strong how strong he is and make him feel insulting. Naughty gobbled up means here gobbled up means try to swallow the big piece of cheese without chewing. But due to the big size of cheese, it got stuck. Stuck means trapped. Trapped in Naughty throat and unable to move in Naughty throat and unable to move. The meaning of the throat is the front part of the neck. Naughty started coughing and his face became red. And then who helped him? Roti, the small rat. Roti ran to him and thumped in his back. To hit his thumbed means to hit. His hand, Roti hit him on the back and cheese fell out. The Naughty felt himself safe. Now, in third paragraph, thank you, said Naughty. From that day, Naughty did not make fun of Roti. Whenever Tabby the cat chased them, Naughty held Roti's hand and both ran away to a safe hole. So from that day, Naughty never make a fun of Roti, and whenever Tabby, who is a big cat, chased means to catch it. Here the cat runs after Roti and Naughty and trying to catch them. Then both the rat hold their hands and ran away in a safe hole. Understood? So this story completed. So student, the moral of this story is don't make fun of others. The one you are making fun of could be a much better person than you. And never judge someone according to their personality. Observe their behavior, only then you will be able to judge their character. So let's come in next story. First we will read, then explanation. There was a beautiful forest. It was full of trees, animals, and birds. The birds could fly, the deer could run fast, the owl could see well in the dark. They were so different, but each of them was lovely, and they were friends. Students, this story trying to make us understand that all the things in nature have different qualities. For example, you can see in the forest there were different kinds of things with different characteristics. Some could fly, some could run fast, some could not see at the daytime, whereas some could see well in the dark. They all different but lovely. They all are friendly with each other. So, students, the moral of the story is we all are creature of God and we all are different from each other, and just because of our different personality. We all are unique and special. We should never make fun of others. We should always be friendly with each other and respect the feelings of other. Understood, students? So let's come in next page. You can see here is exercise. Who was thin and small first? Naughty was Roti was thin and small. Second, what did Naughty find? Naughty found a piece of cheese. Why did the cheese get stuck in Naughty's throat? The cheese got stuck in Naughty's throat because cheese was too big. Who saved Naughty? Roti saved Naughty. Okay. So second B, you can see Roti want to be your friend. Put a tick to show what is good about her. First, she is kind. Yes, we can put a tick here. She helps other. Yes, we can put a tick here. She is neat and clean. Yes, we can put tick here. She is always late. No, so we will put here wrong. She falls ill quite often. No, so we can put a wrong here. She smile at everyone. Yes, we can put a tick here. So in the third we can see we all love and respect our teachers. Draw a picture of your teacher. Write 3 things you like about her. You can see here is a space. You can draw your favorite teacher picture, either your favorite or any teacher, and you have to write 3 lines about her or him. Either your favorite is sir or ma'am. You can draw or you can paste a photo also, and you have to write 3 lines about her or him. So in the next page you can see things to do. Look at your classmate. Each of them look different, but all of them are your friends. Count and write the number of children who. Means you have to write. You have to count. You have to see in your classroom with have long hair. Those who have long hair, you have to count that one, and you will mention here. Have short hair. Have a curly hair. Have a straight hair. Have a brown hair. Wear glasses. According to your class friend, you will count here and you will mention here. Now the last one you can see here is in this picture below, put a tick on the ones in which children are showing respect to others. Put a wrong one on the ones in which they are not. You can see first picture here showing respect. You can see because a child getting an old woman to cross the road, so we can put a tick here. Now the second one, here we will also put here. I have already done. You have to do like the same. Why I have put tick here? Because this girl is asking this old man to come in house. Now the third one, you can see I put here wrong. Why? Because she is teasing the mouth, and this is bad habit. Now the fourth one, here also I have put wrong. Why? Because they both are fighting, and fighting is a bad thing. We should live together. And now the last one, you can see here also I have put tick because she is welcoming her with a bouquet of flowers. Okay, students. Here you have to color in this page. You can see, apart from people, we also respect nature, air, water, land, plants, and animals. Color this picture and tell your teacher how you respect nature. Means you have to color this picture. And students, how we will respect nature? First of all, the word nature and natural are used for all the things that are normally not made by human. Nature is very important of humans have needed to survive, and provided by natural world around us: food, water, air, medicine, trees, plants, animals for shelter, and even natural cycles such as climate and nutrients. Our forest, river, ocean, and soil provides us with food, the water we irrigate our crops of, and for washing clothes, for drinking, so many things that we are getting from nature. So we must respect nature, and we should must try to grow more and more trees. Then we will be free from pollution. And we also show toward toward animal also. We must reuse and recycle the things, and we can save it for future also. So students, the chapter is over. At last I want to say, whatever PDF and written notes plan you are getting, you must write and learn that one carefully. And if you have any problem regarding this chapter or any PDF, I'm not telling about my subject only, I'm telling about all subject. You can knock for it if you have any problem regarding any subject or any chapter. So students, we will see you in next class. Thank you.